Australia is beautiful as much as you can imagine. Pretty seashore, rivers, mountain range, desert in the center and tropical rainforest. But except all that beauty, why most of the people live near the seashore and inside city, why people live with so dense population? Outside cities, its population density is incredibly low. As of June 2020, Australian population density is 3.3 people per square kilometer. Compare that to somewhere like in India, which has a population density of 464 people per square kilometer, or US with 36 people per square kilometer. It's easy to see that Australian population is spread out. So in this video, I will explain this topic in a simplified way. Starting with the geographical area. Australia is the world's sixth largest country with an area of 7.6 million square kilometer, almost similar to US if you neglect Alaska. And there are 5 big cities in Australia: Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth and Adelaide, with a total country's population of 26 million. And most of the people think that because of desert, people do not want to live there. But do you really think that because of desert, people do not want to live there? Well, the American Southwest region contains some of the hottest desert on the earth and has a population of 11 million. Saudi Arabia also has a higher population density than Australia and it is much more deserty. The truth is only 20% of land in Australia covers by desert and rest is arid and semi-arid. Have a close look towards map. This orange region is arid and the yellow region is semi-arid. The arid and semi-arid regions looks like this peak. The main reason for people neglect to live on Central Australia is not having enough potable water. In the American Southwest region, they have their huge river running through it, Colorado River, an even bigger aquifer. An aquifer is a layer of rock that holds groundwater. In America, the South Nevada's aquifer alone has a more potable water than all the aquifers in Australia. Only the coastal strip of East Coast, the southeast and southwest corner, and some section of tropical north have sustainable climate for rainfall to support agriculture and large communities. Because rain clouds come directly from ocean to this area but not goes deeper inside. Perth, the largest city on the western half of Australia, can also support a population of 1.2 million people, and that is from damming all the available rivers and making efficient use of seasonal rainfall to support its growth to now 2 million people. There are massive seawater desalination plants, about the most expensive way possible to make potable water. Along with not much water, Australia also has the poorest soil in the world. European and Asian countries developed from labor-intensive subsistence farming, where 1 or 2 acres could support whole family. There are few places in Australia that has soil fertile enough to support that. Hence, the population density in Australia could never approach that of old world countries. For example, sheep farm in Australia might be carrying capability of 1 sheep per acre. In Albany, a very wet and fertile area of Australia, a typical farm would be 500 to 1000 acre and carrying 1000 to 2000 sheep. That is enough to support a single farmer and his family. In Europe, you need about 1/10 of area of same sort of capability. In fact, 85% of Australian population lives less than 50% from the coast. Despite this makeups maybe 15% of nation's area. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.